Okay, now you figure out which one is the power end. Is it this end or is it
Johnny,
that end?
stop.
Look at these cords, right? You go like this, and then do not cut. Wait, don't show my face. Do not cut, okay? So what you want to do is that you want to start from here, and I would actually already connect it. So let's connect it. Right? You feel the click. Once you feel the click, that means it's nicely connected. Now what you want to do is you want to first snug it in, and then you want to set it. Now after you set it, if you end up putting it already on the whole thing, you're gonna have an issue. You actually want to set it over here first, and then now you see this slack. Now all that slack, we need to actually compress it. Oh, we gotta remove this. Remove this. Okay, all right, so we got that, and then right, like I said, everything's gonna be compressed, so we actually want to pinch it one more time somewhere in the middle, and make sure these bows are kind of the same. Let me see, so something like that. All right, so now it's pinched, and then maybe let's just start pushing it in, putting it in. By putting it in, if you watch, it starts compressing it. So right here, see? It just starts compressing. So this piece of lens now is compressed. And you get that end. And you see it? You see it? You see it? Do not cut it. My wife accidentally cut it and we had to buy it all over again.
No, I didn't.
See?
No.
See? Look at that. No cutting. See what I told y'all? Easy.
Okay, thank you.
Y así no se hace, amigos.
Okay, hey, how about you plug it in and show it?
Alright, plug it in, you put it right here. Alright, we're...
Johnny, I'm being serious. Please stop.
Alright. Alright, all you do is just click this DC power on. Oh, this is the AC wall. To the wall. Now, I don't know how you turn it on.